And here's the tape looks like 4 days in September. And was put on March 11th, 1999, which is also a reprint.
Now available on video cassette. 2 journalists, 1 British, 1 American.
Only 2 good things ever came from England. 1 America, 2 the Beatles.
Are about to rescue 30 kids from a war zone.
You know this is completely illegal, don't you?
We have to deal with 13 countries worse than Sarajevo. Are we sliding up or down that scale?
Riveting and unforgettable, a powerful and remarkable film. Starring Stephen Delane, Woody Harrelson, and Marissa Tomei. Welcome to Sarajevo.
4 days in September, which is put on,
At America's top university, the most brilliant mind belongs to the guy who cleans the floor.
This boy's genius is unparalleled.
Now,
Playtime's over, Chief, all right?
he's met the one man
Let the healing begin.
who can change his life forever. Robin Williams, Matt Damon, in the film nominated for 9 Academy Awards, including Best Picture, Best Actor, Best Supporting Actor, and Best Supporting Actress. Newsweek hails it as rich, funny, and sensationally appealing. Good Will Hunting.
Nominated for 4 Academy Awards.
4 days in September, which is put on March 26th, 1999.
The Wings of the Dove. 2 passionate lovers with everything but money.
What if I didn't let you leave tonight?
I'd be penniless, cast out of society.
An heiress with everything but love.
What is your type? That friend of yours at the party. He was beautiful.
A temptation no one could resist.
You want me to seduce her? You really think she'll just leave me all her money?
Over 85 critics agree, one of the year's best films. And Siskel and Ebert call it powerful.
I'd do anything to marry you.
The Wings of the Dove.
For longer than he can remember, this man has led a dull existence. The mundane accounting job, the mind-numbing commute, and the family he rarely sees. Then,
After
one night, he looked
watching
up,
4 days in September, I'm going to
and
watch
his
Take
whole
the Lead
life changed.
tomorrow.
This predictable man has entered a world he never imagined. It's a place full of grand passions, bitter rivalries, and odd couples. Miramax Films invites you to loosen up and let your hair down.
Shall we dance?
Shall we dance?
Miramax Home Entertainment presents a film that NBC calls outrageously funny and sexy.
Savage and wild.
Victor Ventura is a struggling actor. He's suave, he's sophisticated, he's unemployed. Until he finds a way to put his talent to use.
Oh, he's fantastic.
Now Victor's the king of phone fantasy.
Give him a Kleenex. He's perspiring.
But when a client becomes more than a phone call, it may be the end of the line for Victor. It's a red-hot romp that CBS Radio calls sexy and uproarious, comic and erotic in the same hot breath.
Oh, Victor.
Mouth to mouth. Your fantasies are only a phone call away.
Coming soon to video cassette.
The 14th Dalai Lama.
Scorsese, our greatest director. The film of the year.
Oh, boy.
You are the man who has come back to lead us. You will soon have great responsibilities. Nominated for 4 Academy Awards. This is Glenn Ebert giving 2 thumbs up. Visually stunning. You must know what to do.
Now available on CD and cassette.
From the critically acclaimed Oscar-nominated film 4 Days in September comes the soundtrack album that captures the rhythms of Rio de Janeiro, featuring an ethnically accurate musical score by famed composer-musician Stuart Copeland. The soundtrack also includes such songs as The Girl from Ipanema and The House of the Rising Sun. Music from the Miramax motion picture 4 Days in September, available now from Milan Records at stores everywhere.
And now, our feature presentation.
This is a modified original version. It's been formatted for your TV.